Airline flying car. Rang on the land. Gallop. Switch car mode to aircraft mode. Technological feeling of appearance and a dazzling light capture your heart at once. 2.4G launcher, more flexible operation. Position height with air pressure. Height control system. Press one key to start up. Take up. Aircraft rises automatically. To land, the aircraft descends automatically. The air pressure height positioning mode promotes the stability and suspension in the air. Official cell phone app for operation. HD aerial photograph. Realize real transmission with phone Wi-Fi and witness the wonderful moment. The no-head mode. (3D) rolling over in the air. Switch between high and low speed. Aircraft's basic functions: rise, descend, move forward, move backward, fly sideward to the right, fly sideward to the left, turn left, turn right. The USB charging line is also used in many daily charging tools.